Hello everyone, welcome again to Julia vs Python programming. In today's tutorial, we learn about conversions. So in Python, if maybe conversions of float, integers, and all those types. So you want to convert. Let's say we have an integer like 100. The type of it is an integer. You want to convert it into a float. You make it like float, then the number. So it's going to convert it for you into a float. You can also convert strings. Let's say 1000, it's a string. You can also convert this one also into a float. The same thing can be done in Julia by following the same format as float. Then let's say 100 is going to convert it for you, or if it's an integer, if it's a string, let's say yep, you can also convert it into a float. Another way you can also do it is passing it. You have to pass it. Then let's say float capital 8, then a system you are on, then let's say 100. So by this format you can convert it into an integer, into a float. So you can also convert from a float like this into an integer. In Python it's quite simple. Let's say this, then let's say 0.0, can convert it into an integer. In Julia too, you can't do this. You can't do it like this. It's not going to work. It's going to give you an error. But you can do it like making the capital N, capital I, then let's say the number, let's say 0. So it has converted it for us. Let me make it clearer so that it looks like here. You can convert it into an integer, or you can also use the same format of the pass, then int, let's say 64, then let's say something like this. So you can also do the same format, and then it's going to do it for us, convert it for us. So this is how it can be done. So apart from float conversion, you can also convert strings. If you want to convert a string, let's say we have a number like, let's say var1, which is having something like hello Python. If you want to convert this one into a list, it's quite simple. You just make it like list, then var. So it's going to convert all of them into a string. In Julia, this method can't work. It's going to give us, let's say var1 is going to hello Julia. It's going to give us, you can't do something like that. You can't do this. It's going to give you an error, but you can use collect, and let's say var1. That's going to put them into an array form for you. So you see how it's going to do it. So you can do it in this way in Julia. Another method you can also do is you can split it, whereby you use split and then the var1. In this format, it's going to, let's say var, you make it like this. So it's going to split it for you into according to this one. You can also use split in Python, which is, you can also use the same split in Python. So we have var1 is equal to, somebody say hey, hello Python. So if you want to split it, like you can also do var1 dot split, then you put it into brackets, like you put whatever you want to split it, but it's going to give you a different format. Because I want to split it with this. So like it's quite different. So that's one method you can do it. So apart from conversion, there are other things you can also do. You can also convert hexadecimal. So let's say we have an hex and you want to convert any number. Let's say we have 200, you want to convert it into a hex form. You can make it like hex, then 200. So it's going to convert this one into a hex, and also do the same thing if it's an oct. It's going to convert it. The same thing can be done in Julia, like hex, then let's say 200. See, it's converted the same thing for us in this format. or you can also do it like oct, that is hexadecimal, and then oct. I've forgotten the full meaning. Okay, so you can also convert it, or you can also do it for binary format, like maybe you have a bin. Let's say you have a number like, so it's going to convert it for us. The same thing can be done in Python, which is 3400. So the same thing, so it can be done for us in Julia and in Python.